Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduates and electrical graduates. So let us go into the video. The name of the company is Hero Groups. So it's one of the core and dream company for both mechanical as well as electrical people. So this is the best opportunity to grab the job. So name of the company is Rockman Industry Limited, and now they are recruiting freshers in BE, BTech, BE, BTech and Diploma in mechanical and electrical. Regarding the company, so they are one of the leading business all over the world. They have been established in 1956, and if you want to be one among them, then kindly apply for the job and grab the job. Designation will be trainee. Education qualification is BE engineer and DME and ITI. So role will be a permanent one. Years of experience is freshers, and job location is in Tamil Nadu. Salary will be as per the company norms. So they are hiring BE Diploma and ITI graduates as a GAT and DAT. So who can apply? Those are having BE in mechanical and electrical can apply. Even those are having diploma in DME, DAE, DEEE, DECE are preferable. ITI in any discipline is also preferable. Salary for BE is 14,500, for diploma 13,500, for ITI 12,500, and experience is between 0 to 2 years. So factory address is Rockman Industry Limited, Hero Group, Cheyar Sipcot, and contact details is you can contact Vinod Kumar, who is HR. His phone number is given here, 9597 425 404. You can contact to this number and ask for the details and directly go and attend the interview. One more thing is almost 80% people are watching our videos without subscribing. Kindly subscribe our channel. Your subscription will boost our confidence for uploading more job videos. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. If you like this video, means put a like and share the video to all mechanical and electrical people. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to mechanical and electrical people, and we will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Have a great day.